Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off high volume exposure notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. And in here, we're going to tap on volume monitor. And in here, you want to tap on the option key at the top and tap on notifications. In here, if you want to turn off, then you deselect the radio box next to where it says over 100% of daily recommended exposure. And you can also deselect over 85% of daily recommended exposure. So select the options to turn on or turn off the notifications for your high volume exposure. So this one here, if you want to choose over 100% of daily recommended exposures, then you select that. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the save button to save the changes, and then tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.